Hey, Dave Oliveira here with Rain Networks, and today we're going to look at how to make installers to install your ESET endpoint security package. From your MSP administrator, we're going to go ahead and click on ESET Protect. I like to dub this as the management side. This is where we look at the computers and the installers, and I already had it loaded up in another tab here. Today we're going to focus on creating an installer. So we'll go ahead and come in here. I have a couple in here already. But what we want to do is hit Create Installer, select your OS, right? We'll just keep it for Windows. We're going to select where we want these computers to land, and we can look through my folder structure here. So if I wanted this computer to land in here after installation, that's the parent folder we will select. So great. Ignore this message right now. I promise we'll be able to choose our license from our list in this next page here. So let's just click on Customize Installer here. Awesome. We're going to choose the security product. The agent is the part that talks to the portal, so it's checked by default. I clicked on customize more settings right there, and this is where we could rename this like test with Dave, or a lot of people put ABC managed, right? The installer that they are installing this for. So ABC managed, right? Endpoint security, great. We'll click on continue. The endpoint security product is up here. If this was for a server, like for server OSs, Windows Server OSs, you could change that. Some folks like to just choose the antivirus, which is the endpoint security without the firewall. I like to put the firewall in there, so we'll use the endpoint security right here. We're going to go ahead and accept the end user license agreement. And like promised, here is where we can select all of our licenses, right? So I have 3 licenses in here. The reason why you're seeing multiple lines is because these licenses have different licenses in them, like the advanced package and the complete package, for example. But what I'm after here is this endpoint security, ESET server security. We're just trying to activate the endpoint here, so I can go ahead and choose my license there. And then I like to do this as well, the AV remover. This removes your basic stuff like your McAfee's, your Nortons, your Trend Micros, things like that. And then we'll just go ahead and hit finish right here. This will create the package here. We can hit finish here. It does create a link to it so that you could just copy this and go to wherever you need and paste it in a browser and download the package that's tied to this instance of the portal. You can also do emails, so you can have it email somebody this link if you want from ESET, and they could just run it themselves. So that's what those options are there. And I'm just going to hit finish. It shows up in my list here, and I can go back and download and show those links or send via email again if I wanted to. But yeah, that's all for this video today. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.